Okay, I'll have to get the send out the link. Hi there, thanks for joining. We're just going to start momentarily. We had to swap around the YouTube link at the last moment, so I've just sent that out. So just bear with us, give people 1-2 minutes to join, and then we'll kick straight off. Okay, thanks everyone for joining. Yeah, we're going to kick straight off. Sorry for we've had to swap YouTube links at the very last moment, so hence the delay starting. But let's get straight into it. Today is a live session, as well as a replay, to be honest, so a lot of people are going to join on the replay. We're going to look into listing titles, specifically for eBay and Vinted. So let's get straight into it. We'll run through the context for titles, and then we'll get into a live demo and take it from there. Well, should have some time at the end for live Q&A. So Cassini, eBay's Cassini it's not an algorithm, it's 4 scoring systems running simultaneously. And the thing that often gets lost here is most resellers often only optimize for one thing, which is the title, keywords, forgetting actually that holistically it's about listing quality, it's about engagement performance, as well as seller performance. So how you're responding to your customers. If you don't align with all of these, you don't rank as strongly in Cassini. So having said that, title is the key. So title, you've got 80 characters. One of the most important things to bear in mind is the first 3 to 5 words carry the most weight. So Cassini is reading left to right. So don't use filler words to waste that valuable scoring space. So an example here, using rare vintage Nike Air Max trainers look does exactly that. It wastes the kind of 3 to 5 keywords right at the beginning, which is, in this case, in this example, this could be clearly Nike Air Max 90 trainers, UK 10 black leather. So super important that the title reflects that prioritization and that weight. The other thing to bear in mind is that structured data is super important. Without structured data, you don't rank, you don't have the same visibility. So listings with complete item specifics appear in more filtered searches. They convert at higher rates. So please do ensure 100% of your structured fields are there before you go near a description. And that has a bearing. So there's a kind of engagement loop here where Cassini is monitoring your click-through rate after you list. It's looking at your conversion, it's looking at your sales velocity. And that is compounding. That's continually being ranked and sorted, which then filters through over time to stronger search results and better visibility. So it's not a one-off. So descriptions, I think a lot of people get hung up on descriptions. In the context of eBay, descriptions are a conversion layer, they're not a ranking layer. They don't help with visibility in the same way that title does. So do include measurements, do be clear on your condition, fabric and feature type, for example. Avoid stuffing hashtags in there. Avoid fluff or excessive long descriptions that are not adding reasons to purchase and reasons to convert for your buyers. So on the flip side, Vinted is a completely different animal. So here, what's super important is search, the feed, and the personalized ranking. So it's much less static. It's much more behavioral. And behind that is a hierarchy. So from a ranking perspective, structured fields feature heavily. Recency is very, very important and very strong. And engagement velocity is also important. So how responsive you are and how your buyers are responding to you and you are responding to them is super important. And this is no surprise, but pricing competitiveness also features very, very strongly. So titles on Vinted, yes, they're important, but they're not as important as structured data. So brand, size, and category. No structured data, there's no filter visibility. You won't feature in the same way on Vinted. And I suppose key to this is recency. So Vinted strongly boosts new listings. This means if you're uploading daily, you're going to be rewarded. If you have good engagement within the first 24, 48 hours, that's going to make a material difference to your visibility, your search, and who gets shown it. And early favorites also plays a role here. Coming back to engagement and where you feature from a visibility perspective. So description strategy on Vinted, not dissimilar to eBay in some respects. So yes, fit is important, include measurements, be honest around your condition. And similarly, avoid essays or excessive descriptions, avoid kind of hashtag spamming. It doesn't help your buyers find what they're looking for, be reassured ultimately, which is this is playing the same role as eBay is, as the case with eBay. So just to compare the two and give you a sense, for sure, title weight, very, very high. Structured data, very high on eBay. A bit different, as we said, with Vinted. Conversely, recency bias and regular uploads play a stronger role on Vinted. eBay is very much compounding. So based on the factors that we described a moment ago. So what does it mean? It means on eBay, structured data wins. On Vinted, speed wins. And if you think about both platforms, there are for sure commonalities, but consistency wins across both. So with that, I'm going to hand over to Dizhong, my colleague here, who's going to go through and show you some examples, photos to titles, and show you around our platform a little bit to give you a sense of how that works in the context of title optimization. So Dizhong, over to you. You share your screen.
Hi, thanks, Duncan. Hi, thanks, Duncan. So I will share my screen and take you through how to use our platform to deal with all these things. Let me share my screen. Okay. So here's our dashboard. So as Duncan said, title and description is very important to the during the listing and publishing. And in our platform, we will take care of everything for you. All you need to do is just uploading the photos, and we will do the rest. So to do that, as you see, we have you can log in our dashboard, and to start with it, so we show you how to upload photos in our platforms. All you need to do is click upload. Click upload images. And select set of photos you're going to publish here, and give your SKU number for it. In this demo, I will generate a random UUID in this case. Click upload product. So now this item is pushing to our server and it's going to processing. And the processing might take like 1 to 2 minutes. It depends on the server. It might be quite busy, so you might wait like 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. But you can upload as many as you want in one batch, so you can come back later. So once it's processed, you see it will show it's complete. We will show some data we've been processed. If you click here, you will see we construct the titles, we fill the price, condition, category, size for you already, and description template. And all this eBay required field, we will field based on the images you're given. So the everything you need to do is just upload the images. That's it. So what we do is like, okay, we provide our best practice title template, and we will make sure the title is consistent and follow the eBay and Vinted constraint. So for example, our title shows here, like we show the brand, the models, color, the size, and some keywords and the color in the end. All the data will follow this format, as you see. You don't need to do anything else. You just upload, and we will construct the title and the description for you. For the title, although like we have our best practice, but you can customize as well. You just need to contact us, and tell us like what's your title preferred, and we can do that. But the most of the case for the resellers, we see this title is the best, and it's display well and click well as well. So that's the title, and I will also show the example of the description. So the description is totally customizable as well. So this is one template we used, and we also show some other template which include the measurement. So as you see here, like we have the template which designed for eBay and Vinted, which include the titles, color, size, and most importantly, the measurement. So we compare these two data. So one data, it doesn't have the measurement, it doesn't upload, so it didn't pick up here. So one examples which shows like you can upload the measurement images directly, and we will pick up for you, and we will just put this measurement into the description for you automatically. You don't need to do anything else. Just upload the images, and we handle this for you. You can see this is it has two measurements, and put the rulers here. This 27's length about, and we just fill this for you directly. And we also put the keywords here as well for the SEO things, and expose your listing as much as possible. So all these things here, title and description, we have our best practice template. And if you want to customize, we can do that as well. Either you can do yourself. I will show a bit about the description setting. Some of the price you might know it. You can go to the settings, select the market, eBay integration. There's eBay AR listing here. You can select the description template and do the template here. So that's for the title and the description. And also we provide a way for you to publish in as well. In our platform, we mainly support the eBay and Vinted. But bear in mind, we are not a cross-listing platform. We just help you to publishing. So to do that, you can select them, click the box here, and select the listing, and do the publish. So once you click publish, you will see this show screen here. It will jump to the platform you published. It will do everything for you. Fill in a title, price, descriptions. That's it. For a cross-listing, we recommend it, and we do partner with zip sales. So you can publish to eBay and sync the eBay data to the zip sale. So you can cross-listing to multiple platforms. Yes, I think that's for the title and the description. That's everything for me. Thank you, everybody, and I hand it to Duncan.
Fantastic. Thank you, Dizhong. Let me just take that down for a second. Okay, so yeah, thanks, Dizhong. We talked about titles and descriptions today, mainly titles, optimization. You could see here, so we are able to work with the constraints of eBay, what we saw earlier, as well as Vinted, and ensure that that structured data is right and optimized at scale. So we take the photos, which you saw there, anywhere between 3, 5, 7. In the middle there, you can see what we saw a moment ago in the live demo. And then we support So we support publishing to eBay. We also do Vinted. And as Dizhong mentioned, we're partners to ZipSale. So ZipSale actually supports 7 to 8 platforms. If you're cross-listing to multiple platforms, we're a partner to ZipSale. So please do check them out. And we work together hand in glove with them, which is great. So there's an offer today. If you're interested, we offer a free trial, 50 items, free. Over the course of 2 weeks, we offer a free setup. Dizhong mentioned we personalize, so we have best practice. So we do have some knowledge, some expertise here, but we tailor, we customize to your requirements, and you also get £10 off your first month. So to claim that offer now, which is available until the end of the week, you just need to sign up. You can do that by literally using the QR code here. That will take you straight to Google Sign-In. You'll get an account, get going there, and then to have the offer within the next 2 days, you need to activate it, essentially sending us a code. It automatically populates. So I'll come back to the question in a moment. Wardrobe Wilderness TV, just in 2 secs. So we've done over 500,000 items so far. We're partnered to Cassini and Vinted. We've been through eBay, actually an eBay accelerator in the US, and we're an Oxford University spin out. So we work with partners like Messina Hembry and many others in the UK, also in the US now. So do check us out. But we're trusted by a number of partners. So Wardrobe Wilderness TV, yes, ZipSale is currently available in the UK, only in the UK. They're a partner to us, so we do work closely with them. We do have, I should say, so some of our partners and customers tell us that they work with other cross-listers, so not ZipSale, but other ones. So I believe there are other partners out there that could be suitable if you're looking at multi-markets. Do reach out. We work and we can work with multiple partners. Okay. Well, thanks so much for joining. Apologies for the change in the YouTube link a bit earlier. This is going on as a replay as well. So if you're looking at this after the fact, you are interested in knowing more, please don't hesitate to reach out. Sign up and claim the offer by the end of Friday, the 6th of March by midnight. We'd be happy to onboard you, do a personalized setup and get you going. Do look out if you found this useful and helpful. We will be running more AI live reselling workshops that'll focus on different topics as we go, things that we've learned working across this and publishing close to 500,000 items. So with that, I want to thank everyone for joining and hope to see you again soon. Thanks so much, Dizhong. Thank you, everyone. Take care.
Thank you, everybody. Bye.
Thanks. Bye-bye.